Tinkly presents.
Early to bed, early to rise, gives us sparkle in our eyes. Stretch and yawn, the day is new. Time to shine in all we do. Brush your teeth and wash your face. Start your day with gentle grace. Eat your fruits and grab a bite. A healthy start feels just right. Pack your bag the night before. Books and lunch and so much more. Zip it up, you're set to roll. Ready to reach your learning goal. Don't cross too fast. Safety rules are made to last. Hold a hand or wait your turn. Smart and safe is how we learn. Carry water, take a sip. Healthy habits on our trip. Wash your hands and don't forget. Clean and kind is always set. Smile big, be kind, be true. Say hello, with friends, with fun and play. Let's make magic